Hi, and welcome back to Jewelry Intel, your go-to place for jewelry insights. Today, let's talk about something that everyone is talking about. When there's news of war anywhere in the world, one of the first things that moves isn't just the stock market, it's gold. But why? Why does gold often rise when the world feels uncertain? And does it always go up during wars? Let's break it down in simple terms. Gold has been seen as a store of value for thousands of years. In times of war, three big things usually happen. Investors get nervous. Stock markets can become volatile. Currencies can weaken. When uncertainty rises, people move their money into what are called safe haven assets. Gold is considered one of the biggest safe havens in the world. Unlike stocks, gold doesn't depend on a company performing well. Unlike currency, it can't be printed by a central bank, which is why gold is traditionally seen as a hedge against inflation, meaning people buy it to protect purchasing power. During global instability, central banks themselves often buy more gold. Countries want reserves that are independent, globally recognized, and not tied to another country's currency. That additional demand can also impact gold prices. But conflict is not the only factor. Gold doesn't rise just because a war starts. It depends on how large the conflict is, whether major global powers are involved, impact on oil and energy markets, central bank policies, and sometimes other factors like rising interest rates can limit gold's growth, even during conflict. So it's not automatic, it's about perception and economic impact. To summarize, how do wars affect the price of gold? In simple terms, war increases uncertainty. Uncertainty increases demand for safety. Gold is seen as safety. But the size, duration, and economic impact of the conflict determine how strong the price reaction will be. In the end, gold doesn't react to war headlines. It reacts to what the news changes. Does it create fear? Does it weaken a currency? Does it increase inflation risk? If the answer is yes, gold price usually rises. So that's it for now. If you found this helpful, I've also made videos explaining how to calculate the value of your gold and how to test if your gold is real at home. I will link them here and in the description below so you can get to them easily. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.